Okay, here's another pre-Christmas one for you. Remember how I did the gingerbread freestanding lace earrings? Well, these are Grinch earrings that I'm doing. Like I've said in the past, I typically reuse or cut out anything that needs to be reused. So in this case, I am using water-soluble stabilizer. Now, I have all these pieces, so I'm going to line them up properly so that it overlaps and I can reuse it. So here's another tip. If you want to save some money and not have to keep buying them, this is a great way to do it. I'm using my 4x4 hoop on a Brother SE 1900 machine. SE basically means it sews and embroiders, but I've only ever used this machine for embroidery. So here's what it looks like on the back. And I'm going to take this now, just, straighten it up a little bit so that it's fully taut and take it over to my sewing machine. Now, for those interested, I got this design off of Etsy. It's of a Grinch. And now don't come for me, okay? Color matching and all that stuff is not my thing. It wasn't until I finished doing this Grinch that my daughter says, Mom, the whole purpose of a Grinch is it's green. As in Grinch, G, green. Anyways, you'll see what it looks like. And I think I did my best. I gave it a good go. Either ways, the earrings still look cute. So this is how it turned out. I think I was thinking more of like a mature, I don't know, mature Grinch, if you can say that. But anyways, this is how it turned out. I love it. Just going through the same process. At least the eyes are green, right? I mean, it conveys. That's all I'll say. But once it's done, just cut it. I saved the excess pieces, as you can see there. I don't toss them. And then I am just going to go ahead and turn them into earring. And like I said, I love the way it turned out. So here are my Grinch earrings. How cute. All right. Be sure to like, share, and follow. Have a wonderful day. Bye.